Lay out the roof poles and connecting pieces for roof ridge and eaves on the ground and slot them together according to the instructions included with the tent. The tent skin should have been packed with both sides folded in towards the roof ridge. Place the tent skin lengthways on the ridge pole and roll it out on one side to the eaves. The straps can now be attached to the frame. Adjust the tent skin's reinforcement strips on the ridge pole. Lift up the roof at the eaves and push in the support poles. Fold down the tent skin till it reaches the ground and adjust it on the roof again. Proceed in the same way for the other side of the roof. The straps for the base plates are pushed through the belt end cover plates and tightened. Then close the gable entrances with toggles. Hammer 30 cm long galvanized steel pegs through all base plates and into the ground. The tent skin is anchored to the ground with 30 cm long T-pegs. The guy ropes are affixed to the ground on 50 cm T-pegs.